In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page border in Microsoft Excel, a handy skill that enhances the presentation quality of your spreadsheet when printing. Whether you're preparing a crucial report or just tidying up your document, understanding how to add borders can make a big difference. We'll begin by opening your Excel file. Launch Microsoft Excel and select the spreadsheet where you want to add the border. With your file open, let's move forward by navigating to the View tab, conveniently located at the top of your Excel window. By clicking on the View tab, you gain access to some powerful tools that help in viewing and managing your document layout. Once you're in the View tab, switch to the Page Layout view. This change is crucial because it lets you see how your sheet will appear once it's printed. You'll now notice that your sheet is segmented into different pages with dotted lines indicating the page breaks. These dotted lines are a visual representation of where your page will be divided when printed, giving you an early view of the document's final look. Up next, let's identify the printable area of your worksheet. What you need to do here is highlight all the cells that fall within the first page's area, which lies inside those dotted lines. Essentially, this highlighted section will be treated as your page, and it's where the border will be applied. Having highlighted the printable area, it's time to add the borders. Head over to the Home tab. Once there, look for the Font group, where you'll find the borders icon. This icon is shaped like a square divided into 4 parts. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you can select all borders for a grid-like look or outside borders if you're opting for a more straightforward outline. If you're feeling a bit more creative and want to customize your border, you can easily do so. Just click the drop-down arrow next to the borders icon again and select More Borders. A pop-up window will appear, offering you various styling options. You can choose different line styles and colors to match your desired aesthetic. Once you've selected your preferences, apply them by clicking on the outline box and then hitting OK. To ensure your work looks just right, it's wise to perform a print preview. Navigate to File and then to Print. This will give you a clear, full-page view of how your borders will appear on paper. If everything aligns with your vision, congratulations, you've successfully added a border to your Excel page. And here's a little bonus tip. If your worksheet expands across multiple pages, remember to repeat these steps for each page to maintain a consistent and professional look. This simple consistency assures a polished presentation across your entire document. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide useful for your Excel tasks.